How's it going, everybody? Biker Dave here, Horsepower House. Going to do a little eBay tech tip for you. If you're a seller and you need to reprint a shipping label after the fact for whatever reason, here's how you get to it. From your main seller screen, seller hub here, you'll go up to your orders menu up top here. Then go down to shipping labels. Hit that guy. This is also how you can void a shipping label. And here will be your most recent printed labels. And you'll come over to the right-hand side under Actions. You can also choose what length of time you want to search for the label. And also, under More Actions, you can void the label, print a second label under the same order, but a new label. And you can also print an eBay packing slip right there. But if you need to void it, it's very simple. It's obvious right there. And then it'll take you to reprinting the label as usual. Right there. And but yeah, to void labels, it's kind of different how it used to be. You used to get it to it from the order screen itself. Now you have to go to this specific shipping labels area. And that's it. Check out our other videos. We've got all kinds of stuff that may entertain you or help you out. You know, we do stuff as well as entertainment, motocross type stuff, or new technology, or motorcycle related, car related, home appliance repair, you know, heater repair, furnace repair. A lot of stuff for the regular person at home, you know, who just is trying to fix something around the house or on their lawnmower or ATV or, you know, all kinds of stuff. So just search through our channel. We've got about 1,500 videos of things and different playlists, you know, that you can surely find something that might help you. And Google Horsepower House, you know, we're on Facebook. We also have an eBay store where we're selling mostly motorcycle-related parts and tools. So, all kinds of stuff, you know, always adding something new, so feel free to check it out. Once again, Biker Dave here, Horsepower House, Marietta, Georgia, East Cobb location. Y'all have a great day. We'll see y'all later.